What's it called?
Did you say pectoralis?
Biceps femoris, I meant.
Alright. This quadrafemoralis is a muscular camp.
I don't know.
It looks like it is a triangle.
Or that's what we thought, maybe.
And this is, now you should have least tensor fasciolata. This is probably sartorius over here.
That flappy thing, right?
Yeah, that's what you're saying.
Oh, yeah.
This is probably sartorius coming to the knee. Now, that means that tensor fasciolata is a small muscle that's going to pull on the connective tissue here. See this connective tissue? This is fasciolata. This little muscle here, in here, is tensor fasciolata. Okay. And that means that gluteus medius, let me see the diagram for a minute. This long diagram.
This
that
one?
one.
Gluteus medius.
The gluteus medius is right posterior to tensor fasciolata. So this should be gluteus medius here.
Which one? This one here?
This stuff here.
Okay, then where's gluteus
Here's
maximus?
quadrafemoralis. Gluteus maximus. This is gluteus maximus. Quadrafemoralis is a small muscle. Nice. Let me open this up a little. So Esther, when you go home and your kids go to sleep and you take this video out and you go looking at it, what does your husband say?
I wouldn't show it to him. He'd probably faint.
What does he do for a living?
He works in a bank as a trader. Oh, now that's on video that he's going to faint.
So this is probably quadrafemoralis here, going superficial to gluteus maximus. Gluteus maximus is not as big as gluteus medius in the cat.
Gluteus medius is bigger?
What?
Which one's bigger? Which one's bigger?
The medius is bigger than the maximus in the cat.
The medius is bigger?
I think.
That's what it looks like on my cat.
Okay, so this is gluteus maximus. This is gluteus medius. This is tensor fasciolata, the little thing going into here. What do we have here?
That's a femoris? Bicep?
No, this is biceps femoris.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's not vast.
This is probably.
The semitendinosus.
No, you don't see it on that diagram.
No, it's not on
What's
the
the vastus?
Oh, so why
This is probably vastus lateralis.
Yeah, it's not an opposite. Oh.
It's lateral. Now, when we get over here, you have two muscles coming down. These are what are called hamstring muscles.
It's a really fat cat.
It's like muscles are.
What am I tearing here? Nothing. Is that anything? No. Now, okay.
Good luck with our test. Thank you. Thank you.
Good night. Okay, let's compare this to the diagram. Let's get the diagram.
to turn
I don't know.
the medial view.
Can you turn that page?
Oh, yeah.
Let's turn that
Yeah,
page.
she's going to turn the page. Turn it.
Okay, so when we're on the lateral surface, we've got to see a large muscle, which is, that's not lateral, is that lateral? That's the medial surface.
These are both medial.
Yeah, medial we want, that's what we wanted.
Oh, you want me to?
The big one that's posterior is gracilis. Gracilis is the biggest one. Anteriorly, sartorius is not. This is sartorius up here? Okay. So you have sartorius and gracilis are the two major muscles. with a neurovascular bundle running down between them in the space in between. So that's going to be over here. Okay, so that's the line between gracilis and sartorius. So we want to get gracilis separated here. You know, you really got to clean these and open it up. Like, it's not fair to try to identify them. We can't see the boundaries. I don't know if we have time to do that now. Dr. Gustin's going to be in here with this class in a minute. A few minutes. You know, you really have to resist the temptation to name things until you've exposed them. Otherwise, you learn them the wrong way. It's only a natural tendency to want to start putting names on everything when you start dissecting. That's not the best way to do it.